So fraction is nothing but a part of whole. Okay, it's not only the numerator by denominator, it is actually a part of whole. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now do you like pizza, Gitesh?
Yeah, of course.
You do, right? So,
Yeah.
yeah. So which one is your favorite flavor?
Flavor. Veg.
Oh, okay. So let's suppose this is a pizza. Okay. Now
Okay.
we are going to share the pizza. Would you like to share with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to share it, and two another friend also are going to join with us. So I'm going to distribute this pizza among equal parts, and that will be the fair thing, right? We have to
Mm-hmm.
distribute it equally, isn't it? So
Yep.
out of
Yep.
these four parts of a pizza, you will be receiving or you'll be having this one slice of pizza. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
this slice of pizza can be represented with the help of fraction. If you recall, I
Yeah.
told you fraction is nothing but a part of whole, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the whole thing
Mm-hmm.
here is our pizza, which is divided into four equal parts, right? And you told me that pizza, or like even if in general, if you're speaking about fraction, fraction is numerator by denominator. So what should I put in numerator and denominator?
You can put the numerator where you shade it with red,
Mhm.
and the denominator with the remaining three pieces.
Oh, okay. All right. You're not completely correct, but you're partially correct. Okay. So we already discussed that pizza is divided into four equal parts. Basically, pizza is a whole thing, which is divided into four equal parts, right? So
Mm-hmm.
numerator by denominator is actually part by whole. Okay. So what parts you are going to consider will be there in the numerator, and how many parts were there in that particular whole will be there in the denominator. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Will you give me a minute, please?
Sure.
Yeah, just a second. Okay, fine. All right. I hope you're here.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. So this is the slice which you will be getting, right? So what you can do is you can represent it with the help of fraction, and you'll write this as 1 by 4. Okay. It is going to be 1 by
Mm-hmm.
4. Why 1 by 4? This 1 is going to represent the part which you are getting. Okay. And this 4 is actually the number of parts where we have divided the whole into. Okay. The whole pizza was divided into 4 equal parts. So this is going to be the whole. Yes.
Mm.
This is a whole. Okay. Now, for example, if I ask you how many slices of pizza will be remaining once you get one slice of pizza out of 4 and represent it with the help of fraction, how will you represent?
What's your question again?
Yeah,
I'm liking.
you got one slice of pizza, right?
Yeah.
So remaining slices of pizza are 3.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So my question is, how will you represent those remaining slices of pizza with the help of fraction?
And you can write 3/4.
Exactly. It is going to be the 3/4 of that pizza. Simple?
Yes.
Okay. So that was all about the basic idea of fraction. Okay. One very, very important thing that we need to understand is fraction. Any number can be represented in terms of fraction, or anything can be represented in terms of fraction only when that whole thing is divided into equal number of parts. If it is divided unequally, then you won't be able to represent that particular thing in terms of fraction. I hope that's clear. Yeah. Okay. Now, going ahead, there are different types of fractions. Okay. So the first type of fraction we have is proper fraction. Do you have any idea about this proper fraction?
Proper is like where the numerator is less than the denominator.
Okay. Numerator is less than the denominator. Yes. Give me some examples.
Like 7/10, 2/6,
Very
10
good.
over 1,000.
That's correct. Okay. Tell me about the another type of fraction. Can you recall the another type of fraction? Name of
Improper.
improper. Please give me some examples and tell me what is improper fractions.
Improper is it's like an opposite of proper. It's where the numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Yeah. Okay. Is it only bigger?
What?
Is it
The
only bigger?
numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Only bigger? Can it be
Yeah.
equal also?
Yeah. Can.
Why you are agreeing to that now? Tell me the reason.
That's just thinking it is correct, I think.
Okay. So basically, it's actually you can define the improper fraction as the numerator can be greater than or equal to the denominator, not only greater. Okay. For example, you have a number 5/5. Okay. This 5/5, if the question may be like this, define the fraction, improper fraction, and categorize 5/5 in one of the type of fraction, then it will come under the improper fraction. Okay. Yes, most of the students only say that in terms of like greater or smaller, but in improper fraction, the numerator will be greater or equal to the denominator also. The next type of fraction that we have is, tell me, Gitesh.
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction, absolutely correct. Please tell me what is mixed fraction.
It's like where you have a whole number and the next is like a proper fraction. It's like a combination of proper fraction and a whole number.
Absolutely correct. Okay, that's a very good knowledge you have. Very good. Now, can we convert proper fraction to improper fraction?
Proper fraction to
improper fraction?
Yeah. I do.
Not really. Not really. Okay, I'll tell you why. In terms of proper fraction, when you convert the proper fraction to decimal numbers, I'm sure you are aware about decimal numbers, isn't it?
Yes.
Right? For example, I give you 1/2 or 1/2. And if I ask you to please convert that into decimal number, it will give you 0.5.
Yeah.
0.5. But if I give you 3/2, which is improper fraction, right? What will be its decimal if it is 3.2?
1.5.
Very good. It's 1.5. So when we were considering 1/2, we got 0.5. But when we were considering 3/2, we got 1.